So now that we have a new type of sequence, we need to record a new type of recursive formula. So I'm going to draw a line under arithmetic. I'm going to write one for geometric. All right, we still need two things. We still need our start value and our pattern. So your start value still could be f of 0 equals a number if you start at the beginning, or you could write f of 1 equals a number if you start at your first minute or first day. And then recursive still is going to have f of n is equal to f of n minus 1. But we're not adding a common difference this time. We are multiplying times a common ratio. So let me talk about the example with growing dots that we did. With growing dots, our dots started at the beginning, and we had 3 dots in the beginning. And then this part's the same no matter what. F of n equals f of n minus 1. And our dot pattern was that we were multiplying by 2. So I'm going to put times 2, and that's it. That is the recursive formula for a geometric sequence. So the only things that you're really changing each time are whether it starts at 0 or 1, how many you start with, and what's happening. That's it. That's the only thing that you do each and every time you write a recursive formula.